Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. You guys have no idea how excited I am for today's video. This is one of my favorite crafts I've ever made and I'm super excited to share how I did it with you guys. To make this, you will need a small embroidery hoop, some yarn, some sort of plant. I'm using air plants, but you can do what you want to do. You also need paint supplies. Obviously, I did gold because I love gold. This air plant holder was super easy to make and I think anyone can make it. It would be such a great craft for anyone. You could also sell these in case you want to make a little extra cash. So the very first thing that I did to make this is I started by painting both of the embroidery hoops, and like I said, I did that with gold acrylic paint. So once I finished painting both of the embroidery hoops, I cleaned up my paint supplies and now I'm going to get started on wrapping the yarn around it. So now that I'm all finished wrapping the yarn around this inner part of the embroidery hoop, I'm going to put the outside around it to hold the yarn in place. So now I'm cutting and tying the yarn that's going to be used to hang this up. So now I'm just placing the air plants where I want them to be. In case you guys want to see a little bit of behind the scenes, this is what my desk looks like after I film. It is an absolute disaster. you guys made it this far in the video, thank you so much. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe because I'm sure that you'll enjoy all the other videos on my channel, and especially the ones that I'm planning on posting in the next few months. Thank you so much for watching.